Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. As you can see, man, it is super duper early right now. Just got off of work, literally on the road, headed down to my guy Anthony with LED Customs. He's gonna be installing my lights, you know, my DRLs, halos, demon eyes, grill, engine bay, all that. He's gonna be installing that. He's an authorized installer with my sponsor, who is Lighting Trends. So he's one of the authorized installers for Washington State. He run his own business. He's also in the military, so you know, salute to a fellow veteran. He's gonna be installing my lights. He installed all my lights on B, which is my B5 blue Scatpack. He installed all those lights. So he's gonna be installing the new lights on Raven. And he do nothing but good work, man. I say probably 60% of the cars, 70% of the cars out here in Washington State with those type of lights, you know, RGBW or Flowseries, all that, he's installed it. So the man does phenomenal work. It's a quick turnaround too. He don't have your car for no freaking days or stuff like that. It's a quick turnaround. So he's gonna be installing the lights. Hopefully he can get it all done by today, later on tonight. I'll come pick it up. And yeah, like I'm gonna get at you guys when we get there so you guys can see him. You can see his setup. I'm gonna show you his car. His car got pretty much everything you can do on it as far as lights. He got the stars in the ceiling. He got the dash lights, you know, around the dash and center console. He has lights all over the car. Grill, engine bay, wheels, freaking in the back and the little vents. Like, he has lights everywhere that you can put in the car. So when I pull up, I'm gonna let you guys meet him, and I'm gonna let you guys see his car. I got my damn things I'll be putting my phone on.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you the man, the myth, the legend right here, man.
What's going on, yo? How y'all doing?
Man, tell them who you are, man.
I'm Anthony, LED Customs. This is my shop right here. Do all the light work for your vehicle, from your headlights to your grill, undergo, wheels, interior, your race lights, you know, anything that you want can be done here at LED Customs.
Let me see the sign, brother. Yeah. Like I already told you guys, man, this guy, he already did my blue car. He pretty much did about 70% of the cars out here in Washington. And, hey, let him see your car, man. Show him what you got, man. He got everything that you could put on this car is on it. Every light thing that you could put. Look at that. Look at the door handles. This man went all out. I gotta get those door handles. You can change the colors on those?
Not these ones, no. But I can't do color change. I just did white on mine.
Yeah, I need to get that. Now you got all yours set for like no, like on power or no power?
So yeah, I have like for mine, it's hooked up to a switch, so it turns all the lights on and off.
Oh, you got the new controller.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have went with the Flow, man, but I don't trust it no more.
I got you.
Like, bro, I'm done with the Flow for the headlights. I can do Flow everywhere else except for the headlights, man. But it is cool, though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, that's tight. So that's all I need right there, solid colors. I might still get you to do replace the stuff on the blue car.
Okay.
Can you see the wheels in the daytime?
Yeah, it's about to connect right now.
You got single or double?
I got single.
Oh boy, with the Camaro, you got that double. You see it good in the daytime.
Huh?
Dude, with the Camaro? The blue one?
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see it real good in the daytime with the double. I'm thinking about doing it on that. I haven't decided yet.
I mean,
I'm on the fence.
I would, but that's just me. I'm biased.
I'm on the fence, man. I'm definitely going to come back for the underglow.
Yeah.
So I figure if I'm doing the underglow, I might as well do the... What app is that?
It's the Blue Ghost. I didn't update the other controller yet, so it's updating right now.
Okay.
There's a new update that came out.
Is that a different app? That's not the app that I normally use.
No, it's a whole different controller. All new functions, a whole bunch of stuff.
Uh-oh.
Fully customizable.
See, I don't know what they sent me for, you know, the Flowseries stuff I got, because they sent me 2 new controllers. So, I don't know what they do.
Yeah. It's probably the standard ones, yeah.
See, look at that, man. Yeah, I'm going to do the wheels eventually, too. Because you can see that clear in the daytime. Like I say, I do flow everywhere else except for them headlights. You got the... Do you got all that on one thing?
Yeah, it's all on one controller.
What about the ones back here in the little vents? Yeah, look at that, man. Man, I'm surprised you ain't got this. The freaking, you know how people be getting that?
Yeah.
That light up?
Yeah, but I didn't like it because it's really bulky. It comes out to like right here and stuff.
What about the thing that go in the back window? You seen that?
Yeah, I've seen that too. Yeah, I feel like it's getting in the way of the mirror. So I was like, nah, I'm good on that. But it does look good. Especially probably if you ain't got like tint for it.
Yeah.
Probably show it really good. The dark tint. Probably wouldn't show it.
Yeah, show them the inside lights too. He got the dash and he got the stars in the ceiling, man. This man got everything. I might come back for that too. I'm definitely coming back for the ceiling, but I might get this.
Right now. So don't get the flow.
Oh my God. That's that military life. I get it.
Yeah, man. I've been moving and stuff. You look.
Oh yeah. You can clearly see it in the daytime too. That's the crazy part.
But there's some that you can't see like during the day. So at night, when it's dark, you can really see them all.
How many strands you put in here?
I got 370.
370?
Yeah.
So what if I wanted something crazy like 500?
You can do that. Oh yeah, you ain't got no sunroof.
Nope.
Yeah.
So it's even better for me.
Yeah.
What you got this hooked up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I need that. Yeah. I'm gonna need that purple.
Definitely got that one.
Everything purple. Man, how they doing that battery life though? Man, put a yellow top in there and stop playing.
I know. It's not like terrible.
We're messing around. All right, let's pull this bad boy in, and then we're gonna freaking get up out of here. Yeah, but like I said, guys, man, for all of your needs here in Washington State, man, he is the man. Like, quick turnaround. You ain't gotta wait days for your stuff to get done. He gonna take care of you. Can't wait to see this thing when he put it together. So, yeah, he gonna send me some stuff too with the work bin put on it.
Yeah.
So, all right, to be continued on this one. I ain't gonna end it yet. To be continued. Yeah, we back, guys. It's the next day. Get ready to hop in B right now with the fam. We're getting ready to go down here and pick up Raven. Can't wait to see it. Follow me on Instagram at Raven_707_. And you'll see I post pics, videos, everything on there. Keep those guys updated. Can't wait till I hit 1,000 subscribers so I can be able to drop pictures and things of that nature on YouTube. So let's keep pushing, guys. Every subscription matters. every subscriber matters. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. See, this is why we don't wash our cars, man, here in Washington. This is exactly why. Right. Oh yeah, look at the beast. Was it easy putting everything back together?
Yeah.
With this stupid wide body? Leave this week.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
You hooked me up.
I did sit in the front seat.
Huh?
And I looked through that window.
Yeah.
And ain't even see nothing.
What you mean?
Your front windshield.
What you mean you ain't see nothing?
Man, it's so dark. I was like.
Yeah, but looking out is lighter than looking in.
But my question is like during at night though, how is it?
Bro, it's just like looking out a regular window.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as people think. People are like, oh man, it's crazy. Like, it is dark, I'm not gonna lie. But looking out is good. I'm telling you. All right, let me back this baby out. Tell the people how they can reach you, brother. I'm gonna put it down in the description too.
Yeah, LED Customs. You got the website www.ledcustoms.com, Instagram, LED Customs, Facebook. I'm all over there. So you can Google me. It's real easy to find. Black and the red and black logo. LED Customs.
I mean, as y'all can see, man, the man does great work, man. So this is what he does. He nice with it. Like I said, he did about 70% of Washington, man. This guy is amazing with it. Car looks great. Right now, I'm just running the DRLs and the Demons. You know, I'm getting ready to drive home. I don't want to get pulled over. I want to have the grill lights on and get pulled over. So we just going to rock these till I get home. But I'm going to leave a link down below to where you can find them at. If you're in Washington State and you need these services, like, I got you. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. I thank you. And every subscriber matters. So until the next one, we out of here. Peace.